Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's time to stuff my wallet. Yes, so I'll be stuffing $200 that I do every week for my cash envelopes for the week. And I'll insert how much I put in each category. But first, before we do that, I want to welcome you. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I budget out a portion of my spending money. I am married, but I budget out a portion of my spending money so that I can get to financial freedom sooner than later. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing on my channel, and I show you different ways to save money, different little tricks to save money on house repairs, home decor, anything that I can think of to help you save money. So yeah. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. And if you want to follow my journey, go ahead and tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Yes. So we're going to take my wallet and we're going to see how much I had left. If you watch my Did I Stay on Budget video, you know how much I have left. I normally have no spend days, but this week I did not because I am a restorative therapist and I took a traveling assignment. So therefore, you know, you go out of town, you have little different things you need to pick up. So I did not stay on budget. So groceries, everything was gone. I'm finished with my gift card. Restaurants, eating out, gone. Dollar Tree had $1 left. Spending had 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I got a total of $36 left. Household had $0. Personal had $0. So I'm happy about these $36. So, you know, I always take my rollover money and put it towards whatever, you know, sinking fund or whatever bill or whatever whatever goal I have for that moment. So I would like me some new envelopes, and I do not feel like making any. I found some on Etsy, so I'll be using this to purchase those. And anything that is left over, I'll go ahead and put it in my lock appointment sinking fund because I am natural, so I'm trying to lock my hair. So that's what I'll do with this. So we're going to put that over to the side. We're going to go ahead and get the stuffing. And so, yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm loving this budgeting. Remember, hope changes everything. As long as you got hope, there can be a change, no matter what you're going through. So that's my little motivation for the video. So let's go ahead and get started. Groceries, we're going to do $50. So we're gonna do, I'm just randomly doing this. I didn't even choose what denominations I want this time. So we're gonna do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then I will do 10 $1 bills. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This is my groceries for the week. Then we're gonna do restaurants. I'm gonna do 15. I'm gonna do 2 10s and 5 ones, because y'all know I'm gonna get them milkshakes, them dollar milkshakes. I'm gonna give me some ones out. So that's $15 for eating out. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, there's some raggedy money here. So we're going to put that in there. And next we're going to do Dollar Tree, $15. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 for Dollar Tree. And spending is $100. I like to do 10 $10 bills. So let's see what this is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So that's for spending. And then we're going to do $10 for personal. and $10 for household. I'm gonna try to stay on budget this go around. So my wallet is all stuffed, as you can see. Yeah. And so also in eating out, I got this $15 Starbucks gift card that I keep in there that one of my beautiful supporters sent me. And yeah, check out my game night Tuesday night, and I'll be giving one of these away. So yeah. So that's it for my wallet. Nice and simple. So yeah, another way that I help you guys save money is by telling you about my Fetch rewards. So everybody has receipts, so you download the app, Fetch rewards, scan your receipt, you'll be given 2,000 points just for scanning your first receipts, and every receipt gets a minimum of 25 points. It used to be 5, but they increased it to 25. I'll leave my referral code up here on the screen so you can put my code in. Once you put my code in, you get 2,000 points and I'll get 2,000 points also. Then you'll be given a referral code, and then you can share with your family and friends. And this app allows you to scan points so you can get free gift cards. I've gotten over $300 in gift cards. I had one for you go through and choose which retailer you would like to use. I got a $50 gift card at Home Depot. I was changing out my lights. I use that for Home Depot, and sometimes I'll use a gift card for groceries. I like to save my points until I really need them. So you know, there's one YouTuber on here, Oh My Froze. She has like 100,000 points, I think, and she's using that for it's going to equate to $1,000 worth of gift cards, and she's using that for her Christmas gift. So I think that's great. So yeah, go check out Fetch. I got a link in the description box if you want to try it out. Unless you've been on a rock, you probably heard about Fetch, but I always want to mention it because it may just be somebody who didn't know about Fetch. So yeah, that's one way I help you save money, and then I show you all kind of coupon deals when I see them. Yes. So that's it. This is Miss V. Short and sweet. My cash stuffing. Okay, hold on. Before I end the video, let's see how much change we have. I've already put most of the change in here, but we're going to go ahead and put the change in. I always forget about the change, so we're going to do that now. And if you're interested in this little change organizer, check out my link in the description box. My Amazon storefront. You can click the link and go straight to the organizer. I'll get a little commission. Your price will not change. It'll still be the same. It's just a way of Amazon saying thank you for mentioning this organizer. Yes. So yeah, as you can see, my pennies are ready to be wrapped. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap these. So yeah, that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. God loves you. Even if you don't believe in God, He still loves you. Isn't that wonderful?